Trying to figure out which outdoor gear is actually worth your money in 2026? You're in the right place. Today on OutdoorKitPro, we're breaking down the 20 best outdoor gear and camping essentials, from tents and flashlights to camp stoves and survival tools. We'll cover performance, durability, weight, and whether each product is really worth the price. Stick around and let's jump right in. Kicking things off, the FlexTail Gear Air Punk is an ultralight battery-powered inflator that weighs just 3.3 ounces. It pushes out 180 liters of airflow per minute, which is seriously impressive for something this small. The ABS build feels solid without adding bulk to your pack. It runs on 2 lithium polymer batteries and operates fully automatic. Just press and go. Perfect for inflating sleeping pads, pool floats, or air mattresses at camp. A must-have for ultralight backpackers who hate blowing things up manually. Next up, the Rhino Rack Batwing awning is built for serious overlanders. It uses ripstop polycotton canvas with a polyester shell, giving you excellent weather protection on the trail. This left-hand style awning has a 45-inch projection distance, plenty of shade for your campsite. Now, it does weigh in at 47 pounds, so it's not for ultralight setups. It's manual operation, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. If you've got a roof rack and love car camping, this one's a solid investment. Coming in at number 3, the Montiero Wanderhawk is a 2-person backpacking tent that weighs just 5.03 pounds. It's made from durable nylon with a rainfly rated at 2,000 millimeters and a floor rated at 3,000 millimeters, so rain won't be a problem. This is a 3-season tent with a rectangular shape, great for biking, camping, and hiking trips. The gray-yellow color looks sharp in the wild. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty, a really strong pick for budget-conscious backpackers. Number 4. Garmin InReach Mini 2 Satellite Communicator. Now this one could literally save your life. The Garmin InReach Mini 2 is a satellite communicator with Bluetooth connectivity and 1.27-inch touchscreen. The battery lasts up to 14 days in 10-minute tracking mode. That's 336 hours of standby. It weighs only 3.49 ounces and it's fully water-resistant. You can send messages, share your location, and trigger an SOS from anywhere on the planet. If you go off-grid, this is the one piece of outdoor gear you shouldn't skip. Number 5. BioLite Camp Stove 2 Plus Camp Stove. Halfway through, let's talk about the BioLite Camp Stove 2 Plus. This wood-burning camp stove cranks out 3,000 watts of heat and charges your devices with its built-in 3,200 milliamp-hour battery. It weighs just 2.06 pounds, so it won't weigh down your pack. The metal construction is tough, and you never need to carry fuel. Just use sticks and twigs from the trail. It's a clever 2-in-1 solution for cooking and charging. Best for campers who want to ditch gas canisters for good. Number 6. Zune Loto Survival Shovel. Number 6 is the Zune Loto Survival Shovel, and this thing is a beast. It's made from high-carbon martensitic steel with an aluminum handle, weighing 3.3 pounds. The 21.2-centimeter blade is foldable, rust-resistant, and comes with an axe attachment in the F3 upgrade. This shovel is built for digging, chopping, and serious survival situations. The corrosion-resistant finish means it'll last through harsh conditions. If you love overlanding or bushcraft, this is the multi-tool shovel you've been looking for. Let's brighten things up, literally. The M-powered Lucy solar string lights are 18 feet of warm white LED magic powered by a built-in solar panel and a 2,000 milliamp hour battery. They put out 100 lumens at a cozy 2700 Kelvin color temperature. These lights are waterproof, weather-resistant, and weigh just 11.3 ounces. You get 10 LED light sources with touch control, no cords needed at camp. They come with a 1-year warranty, perfect for adding ambiance to any campsite without extra batteries. This next one is super unique. The Dometic Go Hydration Faucet is a portable, self-powered faucet with a 150-liter load capacity. It's battery-powered, metal-built, and weighs practically nothing at 0.36 kilograms. The modern utilitarian design fits right into any camp kitchen setup. Just attach it to your water container and you've got running water anywhere. It sounds simple, but once you use it, you won't go back to pouring from jugs. Number 9 is the Acacia Camping Tent, a 4-season tent built for winter camping and rough weather. It has a pentagonal shape with a 94-inch floor width and fits 3 people comfortably. The water resistance sits at 2,000 millimeters, which handles most conditions. At 27.9 pounds, this is definitely a car camping tent, not a backpacking one. It comes with a canopy for winter use and a 3-year warranty, which shows the brand stands behind it. Great for families who camp year-round in tough conditions. Rounding out the top 10, the HydraPack Camping Water Storage is a collapsible, reusable water container made from thermoplastic polyurethane. It comes in sizes from 2 liters all the way up to 10 liters, and the 2-liter version weighs just 2.68 ounces. It features a built-in filter, a round, collapsible design, and comes with a lifetime warranty. You read that right. Available in Mammoth Gray, Saga Green, and Sutro Green. If you need reliable water storage that packs down to nothing, this is the one. Number 11 is simple but essential. The Bayite Ferrocerium Fire Starter weighs just 2.46 ounces and is completely waterproof and weatherproof. It's made from pure ferrocerium, so it throws massive sparks every single time. There are no batteries, no moving parts, and nothing to break. Just strike and spark. Every outdoor kit needs a reliable fire starter, and this is one of the best budget picks on the market. Number 12, Eventec LED Camping Lantern. Okay, this one blew me away. The Eventec LED Camping Lantern pumps out 4,000 lumens from a 12-watt LED and runs for up to 144 hours on its massive 20,000 milliampere hour battery. It's waterproof, ceiling mountable, and weighs 0.66 kilograms. That battery basically doubles as a power bank for your devices too. It comes with 2 years of customer support and runs on a single lithium polymer battery. For the price, this might be the best camping lantern you can buy right now. Number 13, Lithelli Cordless Leaf Blower. Switching gears, the Lithelli Cordless Leaf Blower is a handheld 20-volt battery-powered blower that weighs 4.4 pounds. It's cordless, rechargeable, and keeps noise down at 85 decibels, which is quieter than most competitors. This is great for clearing your campsite, drying off gear, or tidying up at home. The compact handheld design makes it easy to toss in your truck, a surprisingly useful tool for outdoor enthusiasts who like a clean camp. Number 14, Turn-On Sport Orienteering Compass. Don't overlook the basics. The Turn-On Sport Orienteering Compass is a lightweight plastic compass with a 360-degree rotating bezel and a 1 to 24,000 map scale. It comes with a lanyard mount and a 30-day warranty. No batteries, no signal needed, it just works. When your phone dies and GPS fails, this little compass keeps you on track. It's the cheapest item on this list, but it might be the most important one to pack. Number 15. Herbalife Mini Compressed Towels. These are a total game changer. Herbalife Mini Compressed Towels come in a pack of 120 towels, each expanding to 8 by 9 inches. The whole pack weighs just 12.31 ounces, and the towels are breathable, antibacterial, and non-irritating. They're hygroscopic, meaning they absorb moisture fast, and they take up almost no room in your bag. Toss a few in your first aid kit, glove box, or day pack. One of the best outdoor gear essentials that most people forget to pack. Number 16. Nitecore P20iX Tactical Flashlight. Now we're talking power. The Nitecore P20iX Tactical Flashlight blasts 4,000 lumens from a compact aluminum body that weighs just 4.16 ounces. It runs on a 3.7-volt lithium-ion battery and is fully waterproof. The clip-on mount makes it easy to attach to your belt, pack, or vest. Whether you're hiking at night, working on your vehicle, or handling emergencies, this flashlight delivers. One of the brightest and most reliable tactical lights out there. Number 17. Chulim Camping Hammock. Time to relax, literally. The Chulim Camping Hammock is a double hammock made from 210 thread count parachute nylon with reinforced triple stitching. It holds up to 400 pounds and weighs just 2 pounds, including tree straps. It comes with two 10-foot tree straps with 15 daisy chain points each, plus 12 kilonewton aluminum carabiners. The packed size is just 4.33 by 7.87 inches. Tiny. Best for couples or anyone who wants a roomy, lightweight hammock without breaking the bank. Number 18. Wolcha Graphene Heated Jacket. This is next-level cold weather gear. The Wolcha Graphene Heated Jacket uses advanced graphene heat technology for fast, even warming across the body. It's powered by a 12-volt, 18,400 milliamp-hour battery and features fast charging. The polyester fabric is lightweight and comfortable for all-day wear. Whether you're hunting, fishing, or just watching a game outdoors in winter, this jacket keeps you toasty, a solid upgrade from traditional heated jackets. Number 19 is the GoSun Chill Cooler, an electric cooler with a 40-liter capacity and a compact internal freezer. It runs on 12 volts, weighs 35 pounds, and has a clean matte finish. The best part? No ice, no mess. It's freestanding, plug and play, and comes with a 1-year warranty. If you're tired of soggy food and melted ice everywhere, this cooler changes the camping game completely. Closing out our list of the best outdoor gear, the HZ Gamer Fire Pit Slot Grill is an open-fire charcoal grill made from alloy steel with a 44.9 square-inch cooking surface. It weighs 8.45 pounds and sets up freestanding, no tools needed. The steel handle stays cool enough to adjust while cooking, and the open-fire design gives your food that real campfire flavor. It's a simple, rugged grill built for outdoor cooking. A great pick for anyone who loves grilling at the campsite. And that wraps up our top 20 best outdoor gear and camping essentials for 2026. If we had to pick favorites, the Garmin InReach Mini 2 is unbeatable for safety, and the Aventec LED camping lantern is insane value. Links to everything are down in the description. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video.